Everyone is asking which jobs AI will replace. Every week, there's another headline. AI writes articles, creates music, designs logos, writes code, diagnoses diseases. And every new breakthrough makes people ask the same question: will my job survive? But almost nobody asks the opposite. Which jobs will AI never replace? Not because the technology isn't advanced enough, and not because those jobs are physically difficult. In fact, AI is already becoming stronger than us, faster than us, more precise than us. It never gets tired. It never asks for a raise. It never sleeps. It can work 24 hours a day without making a single complaint. So why are there still professions that machines may never truly replace? The answer has almost nothing to do with intelligence. It has everything to do with being human. Trust, empathy, judgment, responsibility, the ability to comfort someone, the ability to inspire someone. These aren't things you can simply train on billions of data points. And that's exactly what this video is about. Here are the 10 jobs AI is least likely to replace. Starting with number 10. Skilled tradespeople, plumbers, and electricians. Every pipe, every wall, every house is different. A plumber, crawling into a 60-year-old basement, deals with corroded joints, unexpected obstacles, and tight spaces no robot can navigate. Boston Dynamics has spent a decade on robots that can barely walk on flat floors, let alone fix a leak under your sink. Until robots have human-level dexterity and can reason through unpredictable physical chaos, this job is safe. Skilled tradespeople, PTR, construction and repair. Construction sites are chaos by design. Every project is unique. Weather changes daily. Materials behave differently. Even the most advanced construction robots, like the bricklaying robot Sam, still need human crews around them for literally everything else. We're decades away from a robot that can build a house alone. Therapists and psychologists. AI chatbots can mimic empathy, but they cannot feel it. Real therapy requires reading micro-expressions, building trust over months, and holding space for trauma a person has never told anyone. Studies show patients consistently report feeling unseen by AI in deep emotional moments. Insurance companies still require licensed humans for a reason. Liability and genuine care can't be automated. Surgeons. Yes, the Da Vinci robot assists surgeons every day. But notice the word assists. A human surgeon controls every single movement. When something goes wrong mid-surgery, unexpected bleeding, an allergic reaction, anatomy that doesn't match the scan, it's a human making split-second judgment calls, not code. No hospital board will ever sign liability over to an algorithm alone. Childcare and early education. Toddlers need more than information. They need warmth, physical comfort, and unpredictable improvisation. A 2-year-old having a meltdown doesn't need a perfectly worded response. They need a hug from someone who actually cares. No parent is putting their child's emotional development in the hands of a screen. Creative directors and artists. AI can generate 1,000 images in seconds, but it has no taste, no lived experience, no cultural context of its own. Every viral AI-generated campaign you've seen was directed by a human who knew exactly what emotion to chase. The tool got faster. The vision is still 100% human. Firefighters and emergency responders. Running into a burning, collapsing building with zero predictable variables is the opposite of what AI is good at. Robots exist for reconnaissance, but the actual rescue, carrying a person down a smoke-filled stairwell, still requires human strength, courage, and split-second improvisation that no model has ever been trained on. Clergy and spiritual leaders. At a funeral, at a wedding, in a hospital room, during someone's final moments, people don't want an algorithm. They want a human who has lived, suffered, and found meaning the hard way. Faith and grief are fundamentally human experiences that resist automation entirely. Diplomats and high-stakes negotiators. International negotiations involve reading body language, cultural nuance, decades of history between nations, and the ability to build personal trust between leaders. One miscalculated AI suggestion in a hostage negotiation or peace talk could be catastrophic. This is human judgment under pressure, the highest stakes possible, with zero room for a hallucinating chatbot. Anyone who builds genuine trust. The number one job AI will never replace isn't really a job, it's a function. Being trusted. Your favorite doctor, your best teacher, the mentor who changed your life. You trust them because they're human, flawed, and present. The moment you found out a response came from a machine instead of a person, something changes. Trust is the one currency AI cannot mint. AI will keep changing the world fast. But the jobs built on trust, empathy, and unpredictable human judgment aren't going anywhere. If you found this useful, subscribe to PulseList. We rank what matters every single day.